What's going on, guys? Cody from Southeast Softwash. Today is January the 1st, and I wanted to make sure I got a video done on the 1st. I would regret it if I didn't get a video out on the very first day of the year. So hope you guys had a great holiday season. Spend some time with your family and your friends, and we do that every year. We always take that last week of the year off and let our guys enjoy time with their families. But tomorrow on the 2nd, we'll be back in the shop building some equipment, rolling out some website orders. I checked a minute ago. We got a ton of website orders we need to get on. So all that stuff will be back firing on all cylinders, baby. You know how we do. So we had a great year last year. I hope you guys did as well. Hope you made a lot of money and made some memories. 2023 had a lot of obstacles, but it had a lot of opportunities as well. So we had a lot of cool products, a lot of big innovations that came out of the skunk team last year. I guess the biggest one is the super pump, and that's becoming a thing. That is, we've got some on the way to us right now. So you guys that have got them on pre-order, we'll be shipping a few of those out, probably not this week or next week, but maybe the following, about that third week of January. I look to get a few of them out the door on the way to you guys, and we've got some more rolling in. So they're coming, they're on the way, and it's still a pre-order right now. So if you want to grab one, go ahead and get you one on pre-order, and as soon as we get them in, we'll be getting them right back out early Q1 as expected. Looks like we're pretty much on track for that, so that's a good thing. We sold the first skid with a super pump last week before we went out for the holidays. I had one kind of finalized prototype ready to go, and I said, you know what, I want to see if somebody wants to grab a skid with it on it. And so we put it on there, I posted it, and somebody bought it within like an hour and a half of that video being posted. So I think that guy's coming to get it next week. That's really cool. Sort of a very unique skid. It'll have the very first super pump on it. Really exciting. That pump's a game changer. It's going to be a big deal in the industry next year. Make jobs a lot easier. All the performance you want with not a lot of the mechanical inherent failures of the other options that are out there. We're really proud of that. So we've also got another pump coming, Super 8. Haven't really mentioned this a whole lot, but it is a single shaft version of the super pump. So the full super pump with the double heads on it, it is a 16 gallon a minute pump. The Super 8 is it's basically half of a super pump. So it's a 8 gallon a minute, and we're getting about 60 feet in the shop. That's pretty crazy. It is a 24 volt pump, but same footprint of your 12 volts that are out there, same form factor. So it'll plug and play in all of those places where you've got 12 volts mounted right now, but it will need to run on a 24 volt because we're wanting power, we want performance out of these things. So we wanted to make sure all of our stuff, the pumps we're going to be offering, are always going to be a 24 volt. I'm pretty sure we may have one or two every once in a while. We're making a bunch of pumps, guys. It's not just the super pump. We're going to be having a complete lineup of pumps, and some of these things won't even be for soft washing. They'll be for other industries. We've got some other stuff cooking up for fire suppression and pesticides and agriculture and yachts and boats and all kinds of cool stuff out there that need pumps. So we're working on a lot of cool innovations in the pumping space. But yeah, soft washing's it's neat that we've taken from other industries for decades and kind of cobbled stuff together and made it for soft washing. And now we're able to send stuff back out to those other industries and cross-pollinate in the other direction. And that's really cool. We're excited about that. One of the big projects we launched and kind of were able to finish up late this year, about 3 weeks ago, was our website. We did a complete website revamp, and guys, go over and check out the new site if you haven't already. I'm sure most of you have. It's a lot cleaner. A whole lot more James Bond vibe than the old website. We'd really outgrown the old website. It worked, but it was just clunky. The guts of it were clunky, and as far as e-commerce. So we grew this year to an 8-figure company, and the old site it wasn't able to handle the massive uptick in orders that you guys have thrown our way. So I will say this, we did a great job on fulfillment this year. We ran an average of 2.7 days fulfillment with about a 99 point something % accuracy rating, and that's really good. That's right on up there with the big boys in the world. So we've done a lot of infrastructure work and team building work and getting us able to get this stuff out the door. I think we built about 370 something rigs this year, so right on par with last year, and that's our full production capacity for skids and trailers and all that stuff. But one of the last things I want to tell you before I end this video, we'll keep it around 5 minutes. We are now, as of today, on the 1st of January 2024, offering free shipping site-wide all day, every day. And that is something we've been working on for a while. We had to do some negotiating with UPS, getting our rates down. We had to adjust a few prices on the website, try to make sure everything was right. Now, we didn't just go in there and up all the prices a whole bunch. It's roughly going to be about the same prices that you guys are used to, except now you don't have to worry about the shipping and you don't have to worry about the card processing fee. That's been nixed as well. So we're saving you guys some money at that checkout page. So go grab you some stuff. It's not a sale. It's just free shipping all day, all the time. There may be, I don't know, 5 or 6 things on there that don't qualify for free shipping. The big stuff like pressure washers, I think we may still have to charge for that. Big stuff. But most of that stuff, 99% of the website is free shipping all day, every day. That is for the lower 48. Okay. Our international guys, we're still working on getting the website set up for international. So we do sell quite a bit overseas in Canada. If you're out in Canada or overseas, we're working on it. That stuff will be fixed in the next week or so. You'll be able to buy on the site. But you guys ain't going to get free shipping. I'm sorry. I can't send it to Mars for free. But if you're in the lower 48, which is most of us, free shipping is going to be in effect. So go take advantage of that. It's getting dark. I'm going to end this video. I'm out here in the truck with the heat on. The boys are out here fishing in the lake. So I'm fixing to go grab them, and we're going to cook some steaks. Start the new year right with a big old ribeye. And I hope you guys are ready to roll. It's going to be a great opportunity. Lots of money to be made in 2024. Lots of cool things coming out of the Skunk Washworks team and Southeast Softwash. We're here to help support you in your journey. If you want to get some equipment, parts, chemicals, or training, go check out the links down below. We do have a class in January with a few slots available. The calendar link will be on the website. And you guys come hang out with us, and we'll get you trained up. Hope you guys have a great first. Stay safe out there. We'll see you in the next video.